Alright YouTube, I got good news and bad news for y'all today. Good news is I made 2 fire-ass covers. This the first one I made. Bad news is I only got the footage for one. So I'm gonna show y'all that process today. I made a remake of the concept for the future Metro Boomin album We Don't Trust You. I named it We Don't Trust You Never Did, and here's what it looks like. I don't want to waste too much of y'all time. We can get straight into the video. So once I got the images I was going to use off Instagram, I moved them into Photoroom to get the backgrounds removed, and moved them into Microsoft Studio to get them blended with the masking tool and the adjustment tools. Once that was finished, I got a block of hay off Safari and got the background removed in Photoroom and got both images positioned in PicsArt correctly. I found a foreign background on Safari and loaded it into PicsArt and positioned it behind Metro and Future. After that, I loaded the image into CapCut so I could use it in Microsoft Studio to make the shadow with the masking tool. You'll see how I did that in the video. After that step was complete, I enhanced the vibe of the image by adjusting the brightness and exposure in CapCut. I loaded this image into Photoroom to get the background removed so I will be able to move text and other things behind Metro and Future. I began working on the album name and also the artist names. As I mentioned earlier, I named the album We Don't Trust You Never Did, and I got everything positioned. It was pretty much done from here. It just needed a few adjustments and also the stickers and logos. So I saved it and reloaded it into CapCut as a separate image, began adjusting the shine and brightness and exposure and things like that. Then I added the logos and it was done. And here's the final product. Per usual, I would love for you guys to leave your thoughts in the comments, rate this 1 through 10, let me know if you want a tutorial similar to this or anything like that, or even let me know if you don't want me to do anything similar to this ever again. And also, let me know if you guys want me to remake this Bloodhound Q50 album cover, if you want to see how I did this. Yeah, that's it for today. Stay tuned till next time, guys.